you go. Bringing them in. Bringing them in. Nice one, Ma.
Grab the line, grab the line.
Me?
Where do you mind? Grab the, bring them outside of the water.
You gotta come a little closer. Alright.
Yeah, cool.
Hold on.
Jesus! Now that's a big one. I'm gonna weigh his ass.
You're gonna weigh his ass.
I'm gonna weigh it. Ah, you're biting me, you son of a bitch.
Wow.
Oh,
Wow.
brother, you're biting me. God, stop it.
Trying to take care of your ass.
That's a... Yeah. Yeah!
Nice. How much does he weigh? What do you got? Just a fish scale? There you go. He's like, no, I'm gonna get sold. What do you got? Oh, you gotta turn it on. And you might have to turn it on before you hang him, though. Oh, it's coming up. It's coming up.
Hey! Stay still.
280, it's almost 3 pounds. 306, it's showing. What?
What?